Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the default font style in Google Chrome. Whether you want something easier on the eyes, more stylish, or just want to personalize your browser, this one is for you. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version just to avoid any surprises. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots, also known as the More menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. A new tab will open up with all your browser preferences. Click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels. Once you're in the Appearance settings, scroll down until you find the section called Customize Fonts. Go ahead and click on that. Here is where the magic happens. You will see 4 different font categories: standard font, serif font, and fixed width font. Click on any of the drop-down menus next to those categories to see a list of available fonts. You can choose whichever style you like, just select it and Chrome will apply it immediately. You can also adjust the font size using the slider at the top of the Customize Fonts page. This lets you make text bigger or smaller depending on what's comfortable for you. Now here is something important to note. This change will only affect websites that allow Chrome to control their fonts. Some sites use their own custom styles, so you might not see a change everywhere. But for basic websites, blogs, forums, or anything using default fonts, this tweak can really improve readability and give your browser a unique feel. Changing the font style in Chrome is a small trick, but it can make your web browse experience more comfortable and even a little more fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Got questions, suggestions, or a favorite font you use? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.